Ukunibingelela nonke igama lomfelo wethu uJesu Kristu. Igama uNkosi nathi Mavuso. The smile that captured 1,000 hearts. How do I begin to say goodbye when there's still so much love left to give? Almost 8 years ago, on a surprise trip to Johannesburg, we had come to watch my friend Swanky do a debut show, a one-woman show. A smile captured me, and little did I know that it would be mine for years to come. Swanky had spoken about her big brother to me for many years. She always looked up to her big brother, who traveled the continent telling stories through food, sharing his stories with every meal. Family and adventure were always at the center of his life. If it wasn't an impromptu family braai in Randburg, he was planning our next trip to some place that I probably didn't want to go to. But once we get there, it would be amazing. In the 7 years that I spent with Lentswe, we shared love, we fought a lot, we had long embraces, and we made a life for us. Regardless of the strain, we always knew we loved each other. And it was aptly said in every text, which ended with the words, love first, love always. But today, I must find new ways to embody that love and find a new place to share my heart. Lentswe was the embodiment of joy. He is the smile that captured us all. And his laughter filled every room. I don't know how to begin to say goodbye when there's still so much love to give. But as always, love first, love always.